On the 16th March 2026, suicide bombings struck Maiduguri, targeting the post office area, Monday Market, and the University of Maiduguri Teaching Hospital. Among the victims were students of Ibrahim Goni Adama, who had been under his guidance in Islamic teachings. Tragically, 4 of his pupils lost their lives in the blast, children who had been part of his household for years.
When
the explosions happened, I asked if everyone was around. I have 7 of them. They all went out that day. 3 returned home, 4 didn't. We went around in search for them till 12 midnight. I couldn't sleep for days. We found their bodies in the teaching hospital. I wasn't myself for days.
He is urging the government to increase security in the city to protect children during this crisis.
Lives were entrusted to me. It's so painful for such a thing to happen to the parents. I wish it was in my power to undo the incident. I beg the government to strengthen security to protect lives in these fearful times.
As Maiduguri mourns and reflects on the attacks, residents and teachers alike hope that such tragedy does not occur again.